Hey guys, this is David from Finish Line Factory, and behind me is an S550 Mustang. And this Mustang has a Stage 3 Roush full kit, supercharged 727 horsepower. I'm going to take it for a drive, but first let's take a look around. Right here it's got the full Stage 3 Roush kit. Let me position the camera a little better. Yeah, there we go. Full Stage 3 Roush. I'm over here at Lamborghini Broward, as a matter of fact, during a Supercar Saturday, so the owner has allowed to let me check it out and drive it around. So it's got huge Brembo brakes front and rear. There's the Roush badge with the hockey sticks coming down the side. This car is a little modified. He has a GT 350 steering wheel. Let's see. It's got the performance package. Oh wow, it's got the active exhaust with that custom plate there. I think that comes with from the factory with the Roush kit. Coming around here, it's the optional Recaro seats. Around back, it's got that the famous non-functional side scoop. Gives it a nice sporty look. And then it's got a full active exhaust, full Roush kit. There you go. A little hard to see, but there you go. Now you can see the Roush badge in the rear. And yeah. So it looks like this car is race red and is actually a factory Roush car. Some dealers, they'll buy a base Mustang or whatever, a basic Mustang, and then they'll add the Roush parts on it. But this car came and was born as a Roush car. So it's really, really cool. There you go. Take another look. It's got Roush stuff everywhere. Roush shift knob, Roush carpets. Can't see it there, but you can see it on the passenger side a little bit. Nice. Okay, and I guess take a look inside the interior. So bolsters are pretty bolstery. What do we have here? Oh, this is different. So this is oil pressure and boost pressure. Normally you just have a basic gauge there for vacuum, but now it's supercharged. The Roush packet also changes the gauges. It's pretty cool. Take another shot at the active exhaust. And yeah, everything else is, oh, this one is serial number, you can't even see it, 13, 17,000, I have no idea. It was the Roush Stage 3, so there you go. Nifty. Alright guys, so we're in the Roush Stage 3 S550 Mustang, and we're about to get on the road. Just leaving Lamborghini Broward. There's a Ferrari in front of us, a 488. So this thing has 727 horsepower. Out of how big is the engine? Is it a 5 liter?
Yep, 5
okay.
liter.
So it's a 5.0 with the supercharger.
2.3 liter supercharger.
Okay, 2.3 liter supercharger. So first and second gear are just kind of somewhat useless. So
pretty much stickier tires would help, I think.
Yeah. Well, do you know what tires are on this right now?
Yeah, 275s.
Oh,
Cooper RS3s.
Cooper RS3s?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's the tires that they come from Roush with.
Okay. I don't really have a lot of experience with that, but I heard the Michelin Pilot, the Super Sport, the PS4S, it's a pretty sticky tire.
Right. We'll probably, supposedly these tires were designed to be on this car.
Oh, really?
Supposedly, I don't know. They're pretty ineffective.
Yeah, because 275 is the stock tire size for this car.
Yeah, 275s, 275 3520s.
275 35, yeah, that's the stock tire size. So I mean, you could get slightly larger tires, if you so chose, but maybe they want it to be a little slippery.
Well, I mean, it's got 1,000 horsepower axle shafts, so you're not going to worry about breaking one of those.
Oh yeah, there you go.
So
you need it when you have 727. So
all right, well,
it gives you a little headroom. The low end torque is really good, and the supercharger provides like a little bit of boost. Let me see. Come up to a light. So let me check out the active exhaust. So this is normal, which is pretty quiet.
No, that's sport mode right there.
This is sport?
Yeah.
So what? No, this is touring. I'm in touring mode.
Oh, hold on, let me see.
All the way to the left is.
Yeah, that's normal right
normal,
there.
Right?
Yeah.
Okay. And then this is sport.
All right.
And this is track. Not a big difference between sport and track, but normal is pretty quiet. So if you don't want to piss off your neighbors, you're good to go. I drove a 2018 GT with the 10-speed, and we were trying out the different quiet and sport and track. And quiet is like whisper quiet. Like you can barely tell the car is on.
That was the whole idea, I think.
Yeah. So you don't have to worry about pissing off the neighbors. So unfortunately, where we are right now is all just straight roads. So we can't do like a handling test. But you know, we got a supercharger, so I don't think we have to worry about that. I think we're in a good spot. So second gear, let's roll into it. That just accelerates like nothing.
Like I said, it pulls.
Each time I do that, it's just wow. Like a hot knife through butter. And it's smooth too. It's not like there's no drama. Like, I mean, once you're past about second gear or so, second gear you got to roll into it, be really, really careful. But third through fourth, I don't even feel the traction control kicking in.
No.
It just effortlessly accelerates.
No.
I love this thing. So everybody say hi to Scott. Scott actually came all the way down from Atlanta for the Supercar Week show. He's going to be displaying this beautiful Roush Stage 3 Mustang at the show, next to several other S550s and other Mustangs. Actually, I'm organizing a Mustang-only section of the show. So my car will be on display. Scott's car, this beautiful Roush Stage 3, will be on display, as well as a couple other Mustangs. All right, well, we're back at the dealership. Scott, thanks for the drive.
You're welcome.
So if you guys are at the Supercar Week show tomorrow, well, this video is probably going to be published on Monday, but if you were at the Supercars Week show on Sunday, you'll be able to see this car on display as well as a bunch of other Mustangs. So catch you guys later. See ya. Peace.